Hey everybody, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we are going to look at about the list data structure in Python. Python data structures are essentials in order to start doing more with Python. So previously, we were talking about variables and looking at different types, strings, perhaps integers, perhaps even float. But with data and data structures, we have to understand how things are ordered. How can we put things into different types of arrangements for certain data to work with data? Now I mentioned data, but this could be strings, this could be numbers, integers, or to be more precise in how we are going to interact with them. So we are going to find out what are some of the common data types in Python, what are some of the other less common data types in Python, and how to work with them, including iterating or looping over them, which is very useful because once data is in, you also need to understand how to get data out. Python lists are like a container where you can add items indefinitely. List is one of the most common data structure in Python. For example, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the lists are containers of items identified by brackets. The lists are also contain different types of items in them. For example, 1, 20, 2, and 45. We can also use a built-in function or methods to count items in a list. Let's say length of 3, 4, and red and car. So we will have 4. So each item has a position called index, and then count starts with 0. Okay, so let's see items equal to apple, mango, and orange. If we want to retrieve an item, we just need to put the index right here. For example, let's say 0. If we put items of 0, we will get the apple because the count starts with 0. If we want a second one, from the start, we just need to change the 0 to 1. So if we want to count from the last item, let's say if we want to have the last item, so we should put it with -1. So we get orange. If we put the -2, we will have mango. Okay, so that's for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So have a great day, everyone. So bye bye.